again, I would like to suggest that such type of program or camp can be organized at rural area, like in school, through the ASHA workers, so that the message of importance of nutrition can spread through at larger level. Also,
the state and many more. Thank you for being so kind, gracing the stage with your magnanimous presence. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much for inviting me and for this great occasion of the SEAMS. Dear friends, last year also I was here to give away the awards. And this year also, you have called me. Last year means not exactly last year, because last year was with the pandemic. So I carefully listened every lecture which was delivered from the stage. It was really amazing that the corona has taught us many things. Importance of the vitamins. Vitamins means vitamin D, B12, and corona taught us how to take our personal care, how to sanitize ourselves, how to put the mask. Now the mask is a habit of us. So dear friends, we have to be with the corona. Stay with corona, live with corona, because this pandemic will end into the endemic now. And all throughout the year, corona may be there with us. Regarding the SIMS, when I was practicing, I was using the SIMS to refer myself about to get the new medicines, about the new products. And the SIMS gave away us many more things to practice, to acknowledge the importance of the medicine and to cure the patient also. Malnutrition is a problem. Somebody has told about, I think you yourself have told. Malnutrition is quite near to us.
Congratulations again. And they say the might in the will is more than the vigor. I want to try, I want to lead. The one who's leading up in the next category of the evening, which is excellence in innovative formulations, nutraceuticals and wellness. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for MaxCure Nutravedics. I want the winners to make a speedy march onto the stage. As mighty as your work has been, as mighty should be your work. Congratulations again. A lot of pride they take off the stage. Well, to do the next set of honor, this particular category, may I once again request Dr. Rishi Sherikar to please also join us. And of course, Dr. Rishi, if I must say, you look very fit, super hit and super fit. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the next category of the evening is something very interesting. The best gym equipment brand of the year. Will continue to burn calories and be with us on the stage. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the most innovative nutraceutical CDMO. And the award goes to Tirupati Group. Hearty congratulations to you. Come on, make your way onto the stage and grab it. It's all yours. If you're happy and you know it, you got to clap your hands, everyone. Protein, this goes to you. Congratulations. All the way. Congratulations. Many, many congratulations. The Protein Bar Brand of the Year, Right Bite Max Protein. And I hear some wows, lots of applauses. Thank you. Well, excellence, ladies and gentlemen, is not about chasing perfection, you know. Mission absolutely needs no permission, and you can see that on the stage. Witness that live. So keep those applauses going in, please. Whistles are welcome as well. That's absolutely fine. Congratulations again. Those are some congratulatory messages being exchanged on the stage. And with that, we are celebrating the next category of the fastest growing product in health and lifestyle. Well, all the accolades this time for Horlicks Women's Plus. Congratulations. Could you please have the winning team joining us? Right there. Make sure you march onto the stage, dear awardees, is very, very swift. Exactly like how you depict all your achievements and accomplishments in the sector that we care for. Well, the evening is lit, and so is our next award category, which is the Individual Excellence Award. Fitness Industries stole. Going to be a lot of gravity on the stage. I know who's the winner, so let's get that announced. Mr. Prabodh Davkare, could you please come forward and take and accept the honors? Wow, how does it feel to be Mr. Prabodh Davkare? Well, Prabodh, before you actually leave the stage, what is that one word in which you want to describe your feelings right now?
One word, there's so many mixed emotions, but the one word that I would say is thankful. Thankful to CMS, thankful to Mr. Alok Sharma, and thank you to all the people, and our chief guest also for the evening. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, of course, for all the more claps then in that case, right? Thank you. Congratulations again for both. And with that, we move on to celebrating the emerging protein supplement. You all are free to blow the trumpet, make some noise, some lovely fanfare music from my team members out there.
Sir.
The power is the vibe, healthy is the vibe, and that's what we stakeholders care about at the Nutrition and Wellness Conference and Awards 2021. Well, it's that vibe of inspiration we march on to with that and celebrate the emerging nutrition company. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Volsante Function. Of course, to our thought leader out there. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, we are joined on the stage by Mr. Satyadev Tiwari accepting the proud honors. Hearty congratulations again. Mighty ones, in fact. And with that, we are heading into the penultimate award category of the evening, which is the Individual Excellence Award in Clinical Trials. Well, let's give it up for Dr. Shubhrajyoti Bhaumik, who's unable to join us right now, but we do have his accept screen sometime from now, so we want all the eyes to be glued.
Thanks for giving me this award for individual excellence in clinical trials for 2021. Thank you very much. Awards like this mean a lot. So I want to dedicate this award to all the clinical trial participants in the country who have made this possible. Thank you once again to the organizers.
Request you to accept the honors, the proud honors at the Nutrition and Wellness Awards 2021. The Emerging Immunity Booster Brand of the Year. We also have a video message from our award winners. So could we again glue our eyes to the screens?
Hello everyone, I am Suman Mukherjee from Dabur India Limited. First of all, a big thank to Sims.
सर जानना चाहूँगा कि ये जो अवार्ड फंक्शन न्यूट्रिशन एंड वेलनेस का कितना ज़रूरी है हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल को सम्मान देना इस तरीके से, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम किया उन्होंने कोविड के मुश्किल टाइम के दौरान, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
देखिए, ये पैंडेमिक का दौर चल रहा है और ये पैंडेमिक के दौर में डाइट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. नॉट ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट बट इट इज़ नेसेसरी, बिकॉज जैसे कि हमारे लेक्चर में बताया गया कि विटामिन डी का महत्व क्या है, विटामिन B12 का महत्व क्या है, और इस महत्व के लिए ये पैंडेमिक में सभी लोग हम लोग विटामिन्स खाते थे, लेकिन कितना खाना चाहिए, क्या खाना चाहिए, इसके बारे में भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. उसका डोज इम्पोर्टेंट है, एक्स्ट्रा भी नहीं लेना चाहिए, कम भी नहीं लेना चाहिए. ये प्रोग्राम के ज़रिए हम लोग को एक मैसेज देना है कि न्यूट्रिशन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. और सिम्स ने जो ये प्रोग्राम किया है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन है. हर साल ये प्रोग्राम होता है और सभी लोगों की अपने एक उत्साह और उमंग बढ़ाने के लिए ये प्रोग्राम किया जाता है और अवार्ड दिया जाता है जिन्होंने अच्छा काम किया. सभी अवार्डीज़ को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और ऐसे ही वो काम करते रहे और ये जैसे पेंडेमिक में काम किया वैसे ही आगे चल के भी काम करते रहे.
मैं फिटलैब 360 का फाउंडर हूँ, प्रोप्राइटर कंपनी है. वी आर बेसिकली न्यूट्रिशन एंड वेलनेस कंसल्टेंट्स एंड ये मैंने अवार्ड पावर स्टॉर्म के बिहाफ पे लिया है. और जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं कि सम्मानित करना किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता. आप घर में अपनी माँ को सिर्फ बोल दीजिए कि खाना अच्छा बना है तो वो भी खुश हो जाती है. तो फिर ऐसे इस मेहनत के पीछे जो अगर अवार्ड मिले तो फिर सभी को अच्छा लगेगा.
समथिंग ऑफ योर कंपनी, व्हाट डील्स विद, कुछ प्रोफाइल बताइए कि क्या करते हैं आप?
श्योर. फिटलैब 360 इज़ बेसिकली अ कंसल्टेंट फॉर फिटनेस, ओवरऑल फिटनेस, वेलनेस, न्यूट्रिशन. किसी भी तरह की तकलीफ़ हो, आपको बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट करना हो, वेलनेस ब्रांड ये करने हो, तो हम कंसल्ट करते हैं बेसिकली एज अ.
एंड व्हाट इज द प्लान फॉर द फ्यूचर रिगार्डिंग योर कंपनी? इन व्हाट वे?
प्लान फॉर फ्यूचर इज़ लाइक वी ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड पावर स्टॉर्म नाउ. ऐसे ही हमको आगे चल के और भी ब्रांड्स लॉन्च करने हैं. दूसरे ब्रांड्स कहीं पे जो थोड़े कुछ कहीं कमी पड़ रही है उसको हम पूरा करेंगे, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का 22 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है. तो उस एक्सपीरियंस को डाल के मैं और ब्रांड्स को मार्केट में लाना चाहूँगा, इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा. थैंक यू.
Sir, start with your introduction and how you're feeling getting the award, Nutrition and Wellness Award, and something about the profile.
Yeah, I thank CIMS for this award. It means a lot to me. I also thank
Keep the camera, it looks okay.
I also thank Mr. Alok Sharma for this award and CIMS, and it's a great feeling to have achieved this award.
And something about the company, your profile of the company, the business you are doing in.
The profile of my company, okay, right. Oh, very strange. I'll let you talk. Well, the thing is like we are a fitness organization which doesn't compromise on quality. I recently also was awarded by the governor the best gym in the country, and we also won the award for the top 10 gyms in the world so far. And let's hope, and now we are expanding to UAE and other continents soon.
Has any questions that you would like to ask? We are open to it because.
I am Saurabh from Hindustan Unilever. I am here Zonal Expert Sales Manager. So first of all, I would like to thank you, the SIMS, the prestigious platform here, who every year recognizes us for the excellent contributions and our excellent brand, which is Women's Plus. This time, the fastest growing brand that we have been recognized. So once again, what I can say is thanks the team Sims and the MK. Thank you very much. So I always said this is very important for all of us who has been recognized by the Sims, and of course we are putting all efforts to the market and doing good services to the for the goodness of the people. So for this, getting recognized is really important for all of us. So this is Women's Horlicks, which is a specialized brand for the women's who is in needs for the wellness of all the women who really face uncomfort in their bones and their health, where women's plus really helping them to recover. So thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Amit Sakpal. I head the International Business Development at Tirupati Group. Just let me tell you about Tirupati Group. Way back in 2005, it was founded, and today it is one of the fastest growing contract manufacturing company in India. We provide end-to-end solution from research to product development, and we do end-to-end solution from research to product development. And this award is very important for us, as this gives us the good opportunity to grow our business. No, that's it. Thank you so much.
Hi, so myself Harish, and I'm a part of Max Protein. So we are very thankful to CIMS firstly for this award, and the best part while we receive this award is that, so I just want to highlight the 10-year long journey of Max Protein. So as we see today, sitting in 2022, overall this market is very evolved, protein bar segment, but we were the one who prominently laid a very strong foundation stone. So it's been a 10-year long journey, and Max Protein has been into it. And today, along with protein bars, there are a lot of different categories we are exploring. So we are into chips, we are into cookies, and this journey will go much more ahead. So all of this encourages us to come up with more exciting flavors and categories. Thank you. Thanks.
So thank you, Sims team, for having us.
Sir, your introduction and how you need to get the award, Nutrition and Wellness Award, and something about the profile, sir.
Any questions?
First of all, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sims Medica, for this award. And we are very much delighted to receive this award periodically. This is the fourth time our brand stood in the merit continuously. And just to give a background, Resource High Protein is the first brand of resource protein supplementation launched in the market. And we have been upgrading the formula from Nestle periodically every 2 to 3 years. And today I am very happy to receive this award. And in this occasion, I am very happy to inform that this formula is further upgraded with more immunonutrients like zinc, selenium, and it is being boosted with further immunonutrients. So easy to absorb as well as for muscle strength and brand immunity, Resource High Protein is present. Thank you very much.
Sir, start with your introduction and how does it feel to get the award, Nutrition Award, and about the company profile you have?
Myself, I'm Dr. Prithipal Singh, the Vice President at Head R&D of Tirupati Group of Companies. I'm extremely delighted to receive this award of the most innovative nutraceutical CDMO. The Tirupati Group of Companies, we are engaged in the business of nutraceuticals, Ayurvedic, pharmaceuticals, as well as the sports nutrition. If you're talking about the nutraceutical, I think we are one of the top nutraceutical companies who are into both research as well as into the manufacturing business.
And how does it feel to get this award as such, and Nutrition and Wellness Award? You're getting for the first time or earlier also you got this award?
We have received numerous awards, I think, but this award from the Sims was really very special for us, and especially to be categorized in the area of the most innovative nutraceutical CDMO. And the reason I believe why we have received this award is because Tirupati as a group of company, we are not only focusing into the manufacturing business, but I think we have the state of R&D with more than 30,000 square feet of research and development lab. We are one of the most innovative company. More than 90% of the products that we manufacture has actually been designed in our laboratories, in our R&D centers. And I think I also would like to dedicate this award to all our clients and partners who have trusted us for the innovation what we do, for the quality of the products that we bring into the market. Thank you so much.
Simarut Patel, Ms. Jayashree Paranjape, and Dr. Richard.
Ma'am, start your introduction and tell us something about how does it do
Yeah,
this camera.
From Sims Medica doing the honor of acknowledging the presence.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ashwini, Medical Superintendent of Nanavati Max Super Specialty Hospital, Mumbai. Thanks Sims Medica for this prestigious award. It indeed feels thrilling to receive an award. Yes, it's very motivating. This award is special for me because in this COVID pandemic, we have done a lot of efforts. We all medical fraternity have joined hands with the nutritionists, with the dietitian, with the doctors who were dealing in holistic medicine, and we have seen the need of the hour. So this will definitely motivate our youngsters, our young generation. Thanks Sims Medica for this special recognition for contribution in medical services. Thanks. Look forward for great endeavors together. Look forward for a healthy society. Thank you. Okay.
कितना लंबा 2 मिनट ओके ओके तो आप मुझे इशारा करना रेडी ओके फाइन ओके हेलो आई एम Satyadev Tiwari, founder of Volsante Functional Foods and Nutraceuticals Private Limited. Today has been really a wonderful day as the company has won award from SIMS in the category of Emerging Nutraceutical Company. I'm glad to receive this award on behalf of my entire team of Volsante. We are actually more interested to shift the focus from illness to wellness and fitness, and in that endeavor we have launched functional foods and functional beverages and nutraceuticals, and these products are actually a medium to deliver the nutrients, the bioactives and the natural immunity solutions to make this world a happier and healthier place to live in. Volsante is devoted to your full health. That's what we mean in letter and spirit. Thank you very much. I'm very, very delighted to receive this award from SIMS today. SIMS has been a Bible or a Gita to most of the pharmaceutical industry practitioners, whether doctors, dietitians or pharmaceutical company executives. So I congratulate and I compliment SIMS as well, and I once again thank them for awarding us with the Emerging Nutraceutical Company of